Hi, eLearning here with another quick tip for you in Canvas. If you are tired of right-clicking or even clicking on ellipses, choosing from drop-down menus to do the things that you want to do in Canvas, maybe you have to indent a whole bunch of different individual lines in one of your modules. There is a quick way to do that using keyboard shortcuts. So in Canvas, many of the places you'll go will have keyboard shortcuts. A lot of them are actually visible within Canvas. A keyboard shortcut to show those things is pressing Shift and question mark at the same time. It brings up this nice little key of keyboard shortcuts that you can use on whatever page you're on. Right now I'm in modules. So I can go up and down within my modules by pressing J or K. I can edit the individual module items by pressing E. I can increase or decrease indents. I can even create new modules just by pressing the appropriate thing. So if I click on a module, let me show you here. I'll go into my chapter 1. Maybe I want to indent these section videos and exercises so that it kind of flows in a more visual way for my little chunks of content here. So if I go ahead and press J, I can move down these individual things. Maybe I want to increase my indent here. So I can press I, and that increased my indent. I can press J, and then it goes to the next thing in my module. I can press I and increase the indent there. Press J. I don't want to increase the indent here, so I'm just pressing J again to go to the next one. And all these things that would take me several clicks to go into these ellipsis kind of menus off to the side can be done potentially with these there. I increase my indent, so I'll press O to decrease my indent. I can do these things maybe a little quicker with the appropriate keyboard shortcuts. They're different in different kind of sections of navigation. So if I go to assignments, I've got a different set of things that I could potentially do in here. I can still press J and K to go up and down by individual assignments. I can still press E. I'm pressing E on my keyboard. I know the video is not the best place to show what I'm pressing on my actual keyboard. I can press Tab to jump around to the various things. So I could do a lot of this without ever really using my mouse. I'll just go ahead and Tab here to 3 times around to cancel and press Enter. One of the things I can do, I'll press the Shift question mark keyboard shortcut to bring up the options that I've got here. I can full preview, basically jump to the assignment page on any one of these that I want to by pressing F here. So lots of different options. There's a link that will drop in the video so you can see what keyboard shortcuts are available on each different individual section of navigation that you've got. But your keyboard shortcuts can potentially speed up the different things that you're doing in Canvas on various sections of your navigation. So that is your shortcut for today, using keyboard shortcuts to do the things that you want to do in Canvas without having to go to the individual menus or right-clicking on items and selecting from a big drop-down menu.